Got the camera, shorty. Got the camera, shorty. Yeah. But then I gotta get the other shit with the microphone. You gotta have a microphone, shorty. You just getting it together, don't even trip. We doing photo shoots in here, baby. Let's go. Kenny Bay Photography. Yeah. I'm shooting it on the Canon, but I'm taking the pictures on the Nikon. Let's go. Two-headed monster. Kenny Bay Empire, baby. 2019, shorty. We gonna get your mind right. We gonna get your mind right. Damn. Shorty, look at that. Oh, man. We gotta fix the, yeah. If you a mother out there and you got a kid and he 3, bring him up here for his 3rd birthday party, man. We got football, photography, haircut, experience. And that's how we gonna do it, man. And guess what? That's only $60. Photo shoot, haircut combination. Come on, man. You can't beat that combo. Get his haircut, get bipped up. You know what I'm saying? Got the lit baby boy shirt on. And then you take the picture, photo. What? That's a eat shorty. What? You cannot beat that. Let's go. Kenny Bay Empire, man. Coming to you live and direct. Get your mind right 2019. Shorty. Check my, what I was about to say, check my podcast out and check the YouTube channel. You gotta lock into the YouTube channel. Go to the YouTube, type me in, Kenny Bay Empire. I'm telling you, like the boy vlog, I got an interesting lifestyle that you might want to see. We definitely driving phones and we definitely taking trips. So look, man, we gonna get right for 2019. Stop bluffing and just get your grind on. Damn. And for real, I could do a little video with this too. That's why I really like this Nikon, yo. Like when I'm taking, when I'm doing it for, when I'm recording somebody else,